टुडेज पॉडकास्ट हमारे दो सिंपल एजेंडा हैं। एक, अगर आप एक टी शर्ट कंज्यूमर हो, आप टी शर्ट्स खरीदते हो, आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, तो आपको ये नॉलेज मिलेगी कि आपको टी शर्ट खरीदते टाइम किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए ताकि आपका पैसा वेस्ट भी ना हो और आप हाई क्वालिटी टी शर्ट्स कैसे खरीद सको। दूसरा, अगर आप कोई ऐसे एस्पायरिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर हो जो टी शर्ट बिजनेस या फैशन बिजनेस में आना चाहता है, सो जसराज जी की जो पिछले 1.5-2 साल की जर्नी है, उससे यू कैन किक स्टार्ट योर जर्नी एंड अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक नुआंसेस कि आपको क्या क्या मिस्टेक्स नहीं करनी है ताकि आपका थोड़ा टाइम कम लगे, आपका पैसा थोड़ा सेव हो जाए और आप ये जर्नी को जल्दी पार कर सकें। 17-18 years of finance and banking experience and then ended up in a very different journey.
Never thought to leave it. Circumstances as was like, अब तो कुछ अपना करना है. I was a product national head for that company. Some internal changes happened wherein many of the employees left and I was one of them. So being in MBA, there was no skill set as such. बहुत लोगों ने motivate किया, बहुत लोगों ने discourage किया, competitive market and all that stuff. And we found this was a gap in the market. Not, I would say none of the brands are doing it. Coffee lovers के लिए, moto lovers के लिए, badminton lovers के लिए.
कपड़े तक कैसे पहुंचे? लाइक
I never found t-shirts relevant to that hobby.
38 to 50 is the toughest man's life. किसी को भी यहाँ पे ये प्लंज लेना हो कॉर्पोरेट से बिजनेस साइड पे, एंड आई थिंक यही टाइम है जब सबसे ज्यादा लोग सोचते हैं इसके बारे में,
Yes.
क्योंकि वो 15-17 साल करके हो चुका होता है, लाइक यू नो दे हैव रीच्ड देयर पीक और उनको पता होता है कि सीईओ बनेंगे या नहीं बनेंगे। कैसा लगता है जब आप 17 साल के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को देखते हो, लाइक द पीक ऑफ योर एंटायर यूथ एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड सम ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल चेंजेस पुश यू आउट?
Then it is like you are treated as like you've come to us. It's like somebody's come to you.
सौतेला बेटा।
हाँ, exactly. Lot of such thing comes from customers.
तो ये बताओ कि अगर कोई टी शर्ट बाई कर रहा है, चाहे वो इंडिविजुअली एक या दो टी शर्ट किसी अमेजोन से या ई कॉमर्स से बाई कर रहा है,
Correct.
या फिर वो ऑफिस के लिए टी शर्ट बनवा रहा है, अपनी टीम के लिए बनवा रहा है, या वो कोई कम्युनिटी है जो अपने एक फिलोसफी के लिए टी शर्ट्स बनवा रही है, मर्चेंडाइज बनवा रही है, जैसे हमने भी आपसे बनवाई सक्सेसफुल पॉडकास्ट का मर्चेंडाइज, राइट? तो उनको क्या देखना चाहिए व्हेन दे प्लेस एन ऑर्डर? उनको क्या क्वालिटी या क्या स्पेसिफिकेशन बताना चाहिए एक वेंडर को? नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका सक्सेसफुल पॉडकास्ट सीजन 2 एपिसोड 7 में, एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू टॉक टू समवन टुडे who comes from a 17-18 years of finance and banking experience and then ended up in a very different journey of manufacturing and selling t-shirts, opening a fashion brand called FireNot. So today we have Jasraj ji on our podcast, and today's podcast हमारे दो सिंपल एजेंडा हैं। एक, अगर आप एक टी शर्ट कंज्यूमर हो, आप टी शर्ट्स खरीदते हो, आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, सो आपको ये नॉलेज मिलेगी कि आपको टी शर्ट खरीदते टाइम किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए ताकि आपका पैसा वेस्ट भी ना हो और आप हाई क्वालिटी टी शर्ट्स कैसे खरीद सको। दूसरा, अगर आप कोई ऐसे एस्पायरिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर हो जो टी शर्ट बिजनेस या फैशन बिजनेस में आना चाहता है, सो जसराज जी की जो पिछले 1.5-2 साल की जर्नी है, उससे यू कैन किक स्टार्ट योर जर्नी एंड अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक नुआंसेस कि आपको क्या क्या मिस्टेक्स नहीं करनी है ताकि आपका थोड़ा टाइम कम लगे, आपका पैसा थोड़ा सेव हो जाए और आप ये जर्नी को जल्दी पार कर सको, राइट? वेलकम जसराज जी टू सक्सेसफुल पॉडकास्ट।
Saurabh, thank you so much.
हाउ आर यू डूइंग टुडे?
Good, great.
Great. Okay. So, Jasraj ji, tell us a bit about yourself, your introduction from the finance background to this. आप कहाँ पले बड़े हुए, फाइनेंस में कैसे घुसे एंड यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचे?
So I'm born in Chandigarh. My part schooling happened to be here only. Then my rest of the schooling happened in Jalandhar. My college, I did my BCom, and then through CAT examination went through a MBA school. From MBA school, I got placed with a mortgage company.
Okay.
So since then, for 17 years, I was with them. And then
Same company.
Same company.
Okay.
Happened to be a fantastic organization. Never thought to leave it. Circumstances as was like, अब तो कुछ अपना करना है.
Okay.
And then how it started, the FireNot started after 17 years.
So, sir, after 17 years of working in the corporate world, like you must be around 40, 42 that time? 40?
I was 38.
38, right? So, आप 20 साल की उम्र में जॉब स्टार्ट करते हो, 20-21 साल की एज में.
Yeah.
17-18 साल इंसान काम करता है.
Yeah.
उसको ये कुछ अपने वाली फीलिंग किस वजह से आती है? आपके लिए क्या कोर फीलिंग थी कि यार बस और नहीं कर सकता ये मैं, मुझे कुछ अपना करना है?
So I was very comfortable doing my job because I was in same company 17 years. I was growing very good. I was a product national head for that company. So, but some internal changes happened wherein many of the employees left and I was one of them.
Okay.
And अब छोड़ना था, so फिर कुछ अपना करना था. And then it was not job.
Hmm.
So being in MBA, there was no skill set as such ki, I could apply to. I was not an engineer. I was
No.
not a, some professional line. तो कि मैं करूँ. So कपड़ा समझ आया.
Okay.
And that is where I started doing my research, finding it more, कैसे होना चाहिए, कैसे होगा. बहुत लोगों ने मोटिवेट किया, बहुत लोगों ने डिस्करेज किया, competitive market and all that stuff. But we thought कि हम लोगों ने एक niche identify किया, and I think this niche would work. And then it was that I left my job and we started on working on Farnout.
Okay. So, what was the thesis like कि कुछ अपना करना है तो कपड़े तक कैसे पहुंचे? Like,
Why clothing?
what was the initial thought कि अच्छा कुछ अपना करना है
Yeah.
तो शायद 2-3 ऑप्शन आते हैं माइंड में कि ये
हाँ.
कर सकते हैं, ये कर सकते हैं, ये कर
Right.
सकते हैं.
Right.
तो आपके माइंड में क्या क्या ऑप्शंस आए?
So मुझे ना शुरू से बचपन से me and my family also were always into some passion, into
Okay.
some hobby or interest. So I love making aquariums myself and everything. So
Okay.
I never found t-shirts relevant to that hobby.
Okay.
And I always found कि यार ये होता तो कितना मजा आता, मैं पहनता and एक अलग फीलिंग आती, like close to my soul. So जब हम सोच ही रहे थे अपना बिजनेस करना, we thought why don't we make clothing which is hobby based, passion based. People should love wearing what they love.
Okay.
And that is how the name also came in, Fire Not. The fire within ties you with your soul.
Wow.
Passion that ties you with the soul. No. So Fire Not was the name that we kept it in. So हम लोगों ने फिर hobby based clothing बनाना शुरू किया. And we found this was a gap in the market. Not, I would say none of the brands are doing it. So be it coffee lovers के लिए, moto lovers के लिए, badminton lovers के लिए, even for the aquarium hobbies के लिए. So we identified 24-25 hobbies, and
Okay.
then we started making clothing for them.
Okay, so you primarily did not just thought of creating a t-shirt business. You thought that there are a lot of hobbies of people that you want to send a message through t-shirt.
Yeah,
That they can wear their hobbies,
absolutely.
feel like they are wearing something which they are connected to.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so today first time I also understood the purpose behind Fire Not. Right, okay. अच्छा सर, एक सवाल है, आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोगों को होता होगा. At 38, for any human being, especially a male, they say that the stresses are at the peak. The life stresses, right? क्योंकि इस टाइम पे बच्चे बड़े हो रहे होते हैं तो एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
माँ बाप बुजुर्ग हो रहे हैं तो एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ रहे हैं. मेडिकल, घर लेना है, गाड़ी लेनी है, हर तरह का एक्सपेंस है लाइफ में इस टाइम पे. 38 to 50 इज द टफेस्ट मैन्स लाइफ.
Agree.
लाइक किसी को भी यहाँ पे ये प्लंज लेना हो कॉर्पोरेट से बिजनेस साइड पे, एंड आई थिंक यही टाइम है जब सबसे ज़्यादा लोग सोचते हैं इसके बारे में.
Yes.
क्योंकि वो 15-17 साल करके हो चुका होता है, लाइक दे हैव रीच्ड देयर पीक, और उनको पता होता है कि सीईओ बनेंगे या नहीं बनेंगे. नाउ दे नो.
Yeah.
उनको पता है कि 5 करोड़ सैलरी होगा या नहीं होगा.
Yes.
एंड आई बिलीव ऑन एवरेज इस लेवल पे लोगों की सैलरी 60-70 लाख होती होगी.
Yeah.
इससे ज्यादा तो नहीं
With
होती.
a decent organization, yes.
इन अ डिसेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एवरेज इंडियन मेल की बात कर रहा हूँ, 38-40, देयर एट 60-70 लाख एज अ सैलरी.
Yes.
करेक्ट.
Yes. Correct.
जिसमें आजकल कुछ होता नहीं है.
हाँ.
वेन्यू से कि मुझे घर लेना है.
Yeah.
मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं गुड़गांव में, वो कहते हैं यार जो घर हमें पसंद आता है फ्लैट 4 BHK 3 BHK 8 करोड़ का है.
Yes.
तो इसकी 70 लाख रुपए साल की सैलरी है, उसके लिए 20-15 साल की सैलरी हो गई 8 करोड़ का घर. नॉट अफोर्डेबल एनी मोर. सो पीपल थिंक ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग एल्स. नाउ क्या चीज़ों को ध्यान रखना चाहिए बिफोर टेकिंग अ प्लंज?
One thing is of course very right that it is a very difficult decision. At age of 38, my daughter was just 3 years old and I was like, अभी छोड़ूंगा इसके school expenses and every expense. So what motivated me was not that I want to earn more. I'm not earning well in my organization, but it was more of मेरे लिए तो एक वो पुश था फ्रॉम द कंफर्ट जोन कि अभी अब कंफर्ट नहीं है, सो आई हैव टू मूव आउट. सो दैट वाज माय पेन के इतने अभी बाहर जाना. सो इट वाज नॉट मोटिवेशनल, It was
It was
a
forced.
push. Yes, a force. So तो करना था so कपड़ा समझ आया तो हम लोगों ने किया. But yes, I see lot of people starting their own startup at 38, 35, 38 because एक बहुत आप एक organizational values एक आपको experience मिल चुका होता है. You know how to run a team because आप team leader बन चुके होते हो, आपके
Yes.
लोग काम कर रहे होते हैं. और वो एक एक्सपीरियंस होता है टू सी द वर्ल्ड मैं कैसे अपना ग्रो कर सकता हूँ फाइंडिंग विंडोज फाइंडिंग स्टाफ और जनरल नो हाउ ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स एंड ऑल दैट स्टाफ सो इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट बट इफ़ यू हैव दैट विद इन यू इफ़ यू हैव दैट कन्विक्शन इन यू दैट आप कर सकते हो सो गो अहेड डू इट
Correct.
सो मेरे लिए फ्रॉम माई फैमिली इज वेल ऑफ दे वर नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन मी
Okay.
So मेरे पास वो leverage था to actually start off my own. I didn't
Okay.
have to like be the bread and butter.
I believe
for
that's a
everybody.
blessing.
Yeah, that was a blessing for me.
So what's your father into? Like, what's the family business all about?
So my father is a chartered accountant. He
Okay.
was into job, but he was at a very good post. So when he retired, he had sufficient funds for his
Okay.
retired life. My wife's working. She's still working.
Okay.
So
What is she into?
so she's into education. So she's a professor.
She's a professor.
Yes.
Okay.
So so that way I was blessed. ठीक है
Yeah.
और इतना एक्सपीरियंस था कि अगर नहीं हुआ तो फिर ज्वाइन कर लेंगे.
Exactly. Like you had some space to
Yeah.
take that risk once.
Yes. Yeah.
And I believe that at 38, when you have worked for a big organization for 17 years, you have enough maturity to do right things.
Correct.
आप फिर हवाबाजी करने के लिए बिजनेस नहीं करते हो.
Exactly.
आप बिजनेस पैसा कमाने के लिए
देखा देखी नहीं करते हो.
देखा देखी नहीं करते. आप सोच समझ के करते हो.
Yes.
You take right decisions.
So that was with me कि ठीक है अभी नहीं चला तो दोबारा ज्वाइन कर लेंगे.
Correct.
And lot of people can do it. I know, and if they want to take that step after 2 years of experience, if they
Correct.
see they can do it.
एंड सर कैसा लगता है जब आप 17 साल के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को देते हो लाइक द पीक ऑफ योर एंटायर यूथ एंड एवरीथिंग एंड सम ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल चेंजेस पुश यू आउट rather than giving you the respect to stay? How does that feel? What is this structure in these organizations?
So in my case, it was a merger between two organizations.
Okay.
So when the merger happens, we were at the we were merged with a bigger organization.
Bigger organization. Okay.
So then it is like you are treated as like you've come to us. It's not like somebody's come to you.
Sautela beta.
Exactly. That ways. And after 17 years of work experience, adapting to a sudden change of environment, a sudden change of work and everything, was little discomfort for me. But that's okay. I mean, people do happen to. There are many employees who happen to get settled there. But for me, it was like, अब तो हो गया.
ठीक.
अभी तो let's start something of my own.
Right.
So,
ठीक है. So what inspires you about this entire thing of entrepreneurship? Like, what fun are you having? अभी मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा that you are already a super successful business, 100 crore हो गया, but you got your freedom.
Yeah.
You made a choice.
Yes.
So what inspires you every day as an entrepreneur कि ठीक है यार आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं, वो motivation कहाँ से आता है?
So for an entrepreneur, एक अंदर से फायर होना बहुत जरूरी है. I mean, entrepreneurs you don't have fire in you. कोई आपको पुश नहीं कर सकता to be an entrepreneur. It has to be inside. And that is the fire only which brings me to work daily. आज तो और अच्छा करना है, better करना है, competing myself every day from the past कि नहीं, let's grow, let's do this. And that's how.
So how do you identify anything कि यार कल ऐसा दिन था, आज मुझे कुछ better करना है. So anything that helps you find out this new improvement कि हम ये improve कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ?
I think lot of such thing comes from customers. When you start selling to end users, so we are a D2C brand, and when we sell to them, a lot of feedbacks come in. And when such feedback comes, we work on it. So that's a motivation, that's a point, where we see yaar, abhi improve karna hai, abhi you want to change this. This is something what customers are. So I tell you one thing, there was one customer in Dehradun who bought some t-shirts from us, and she wanted to have a size exchange. So I called her like, what do you want? So and so. And she suddenly asked me, do you have coffee t-shirts?
Okay.
I was like, ma'am, we don't have it much, but please make some for me. And and from there we came to like there's a community for coffee lovers, and
it's
the
a
mu-
mad community of coffee
Yeah.
lovers. Yes.
and we were missing that.
Yeah.
We were missing that. We were making for motos,
Yeah.
for anime, like, so, all such things. So, but there's one more. So we added coffee collection.
I'll give you another community nowadays. Women above 40 restarting careers. It's a crazy community across the world.
Very true.
And they have their own stuff to talk about. You can't be in that group as a male, especially.
I
Right?
agree.
The things they talk are real.
Yeah.
The way they want to feel again, like they want to feel again at 20s, that's real.
Yeah.
And their problems are real. And a lot of them may be divorced, maybe separated, lost husbands, army wives.
Or maybe the children just grew up and now want to
Yes,
join
and
again.
they're free now.
Yeah, they're free now.
Young mothers, they
Yeah.
became mothers at a very young age.
Yeah.
And now by 40, the children are 18, 19 and they're independent. So अब ये free हैं बिल्कुल. Everybody has a very different problem.
I think that's a good that we can do that.
That's a crazy problem, right?
We do a lot of statement t-shirts.
Yeah, statement t-shirts
Quotes and
works on
everything.
that, right?
So
Cats is another community. You
Yeah.
might have already
We do for
explored.
pets,
Cats,
yeah,
pets
cats,
के बिना तो बात
dogs.
ही नहीं बनती है.
so that's one.
ठीक है. So I believe these are the communities that would love to contact with you in terms of getting their custom t-shirts made
Yeah.
with their own philosophies and quotes and their own motto of life.
Yes.
ठीक है. So Jasraji, tell me, if someone today is trying to get into a fashion business, or let's say they are exploring, if it's a Gen Z who's exploring क्या business करना है, मुझे जॉब वॉब नहीं करना, बिकॉज जॉब में इनिशियल सैलरी आजकल वैसे ही 15-20 हज़ार है और Gen Z का खर्चा बहुत ज़्यादा है. So if they have the financial support from family and they want to get into this, so let's say there is someone, a hobbyist like you, who is hardcore into pets and they want to create for pets. अब उनको जो बेसिक नॉलेज चाहिए कपड़े के बारे में, प्रिंटिंग के बारे में, वो कहाँ से आएगी?
If they found the niche कि ये हमारा niche है and we have to make something around this, so first thing is like you said, no, build a community, which because आपके अभी they have just started working, so they don't have much capital, something from the family, but if they're just starting, first make a community.
Correct.
Just don't start talking about t-shirts. Start having a content around like what people like, what love. Is there a problem in this niche, and how can that be resolved? How can they portray they're doing something for social causes or something?
Correct.
Once they have this in place, which will then आपका sales का ad का expense बहुत कम हो जाएगा.
Right.
And people will connect with you because this is hobby based, passion based.
Correct.
Right. Once you have that community building around you, around your page, then you can easily get good quality t-shirts if you find. You have to try. इससे लिया, 4 लोगों से और लिया, wash it, wear it, see. And once you found a good perfect fit for you, like ये मेरी community के लिए, ये मेरा price range है और इस price range के अंदर मैं ये दे सकता हूँ. Then start building, the messaging, the graphics, something utility around it. So let's say if you are building for a pet and your pet is somewhere, tears off your t-shirt because get tears down or something. So make something like a guffed one.
Okay.
Find something what people would love to have it.
Like it feels real to them about their pet or something like that.
Yeah.
Got it.
I have not done like make a pocket for your small pet.
हाँ.
Something around your jacket. Make a jacket which can have a pocket for your pet.
Okay.
Carry, travel के लिए. So
Yeah.
if you're traveling, you have a small pet and you want to travel along with, रखो. If a motorbiker, you want something for him to wear and put his pet around him.
Correct. Oh, that's nice. ठीक है. So I believe now I understood the real philosophy behind Firenaut. It was not just creating a t-shirts. It was more about helping people connect to their passion.
Yes.
Right. And for their passion, people spend money. Right. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी उस पैशन को लेके जब हम कस्टम टी-शर्ट्स बनवाने जाते हैं तो our major sources these websites. Print on demand websites, and they produce very low quality cloth. में कपड़ा अच्छा नहीं होता है. I have personal experience with that. तो उनका कपड़ा बहुत बेकार होता है. It's very bad and they might take around 20-30 days to deliver. They don't have a process and all, but it will be good for 1 or 2 times. But if I want to really wear this t-shirt as a brand of my own, I will not get that feel out of it.
I agree. That is where we found the gap, and like to have a quality plus something you want to show off.
जसराज जी, मेरे को ये बताओ कि अगर कोई टी शर्ट बाई कर रहा है, चाहे वो इंडिविजुअली एक या दो टी शर्ट किसी अमेजोन से या ई कॉमर्स से बाई कर रहा है,
Correct.
या फिर वो ऑफिस के लिए टी शर्ट बनवा रहा है, अपनी टीम के लिए बनवा रहा है, या वो कोई कम्युनिटी है जो अपने एक फिलोसफी के लिए टी शर्ट्स बनवा रही है, मर्चेंडाइज बनवा रही है, जैसे हमने भी आपसे बनवाई सक्सेसफुल पॉडकास्ट का मर्चेंडाइज, राइट? तो उनको क्या देखना चाहिए व्हेन दे प्लेस एन ऑर्डर? उनको क्या क्वालिटी या क्या स्पेसिफिकेशन बताना चाहिए एक वेंडर को कि यार मेरे को ना ये चाहिए तो इट विल बी गुड?
So that depends lot of like for what purpose you require it. So अभी कोई hikers हैं और या कुछ sports enthusiasts हैं, so वो probably find करेंगे dry fit,
ओके,
something that ways. So casual wear है, जैसे like office में something. So search for cotton base, which is much more comfortable all day long.
Correct.
You can opt seeing for GSM. आजकल बहुत कंपनीज बहुत ब्रांड्स GSM लिखना शुरू कर दिया है. सो 180 GSM happens to be like a very comfortable all weather, like summers में especially north के अंदर you wear 180 GSM. As higher you go, 240, 260, even 300 GSM t-shirts are coming, which is like heavier. Then that is for different purpose. You are in AC, you're traveling. That's a
Correct.
luxury thing. So you can search for what material you want. That's the first thing. Second could be the GSM. So
ऑप्टिमली उनको क्या लेना चाहिए? दैट्स द एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन. लाइक उनको नहीं पता है, अगर वो सर्च करने जाएंगे तो दे विल अगेन गेट कंफ्यूज्ड.
so let's say for example, आप हो या ऑफिस में कोई है, so go for 200 GSM, 180 and 180 to 220 GSM एक आइडल है.
मतलब जहाँ पे एसी वेसी चल रहा है, ऑफिस स्पेस है,
AC है.
टीम के लिए टी शर्ट चाहिए तो 180 to 200 to 220 GSM इज गुड.
करेक्ट.
ठीक है.
कोई आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज के लिए जा रहे हो, सो कोई कॉर्पोरेट आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज पे लेके जा रहे हो उनको जहाँ पर वेदर का, तो 180 GSM is quite comfortable for summers.
ओके,
If it is winters, then move to 220 GSM,
220.
thicker
Okay.
t-shirts. So GSM depends upon, higher the GSM depends on the weather, on in which weather you are.
सो हायर द GSM, थिकर द क्लॉथ.
Thicker the cloth.
ठीक है.
So आप उससे फिर आप देख सकते हो. So material में so if you're a cotton lover, so cost buy 100% cotton. If you say कि यार मेरा कपड़ा क्रश नहीं होना चाहिए, all day long चलना चाहिए, ऐसा रहना चाहिए, go for a mixed blend.
ओके,
So cotton and poly, you can see that. You want it like purely for sports or something, then it's polyester or I don't know.
सो जो हमारा ये होता है जो जिम वेयर एंड ऑल होता है, दिस इज मेजरली पॉलिएस्टर.
So these are all synthetics.
दिस ऑल सिंथेटिक्स.
Yes.
ओके.
Yes. So natural fiber नहीं होगा इसमें.
नेचुरल फाइबर नहीं होता है एंड दे लाइक इनको हम क्या बोल, ड्राई फिट बोलते हैं.
So dry fit एक फैब्रिक का नाम है.
Okay.
So वो उसमें कुछ pores होते हैं, जो आपका sweat जो होता है वो it comes out and you don't feel like all wet inside. So like
Okay.
it's like that ways.
गॉट.
So that's a fabric actually.
ठीक है. सो आई थिंक अगर किसी को बनाना है, सो दे कैन गो फॉर अराउंड 200 GSM कॉटन टी शर्ट्स. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द वेदर दे कैन डू अ लाइटर वर्जन एंड अ हेवियर वर्जन ऑफ दैट.
Yes.
And when a person goes to something like this, what is the optimum cost of a t-shirt like this? Let's say if somebody is placing order of, let's say, 100 t-shirts for an event, a community event, because we do a lot of startup community events, and 100, 200 t-shirts ordering that kind of event is normal for us, right?
So that is very subjective actually, because what happens is like what sort of, so there are brands who want top-notch
A
quality.
range.
Who want a top-notch quality, so people also go for corporate t-shirt. They also go for 800, 900 also.
Okay.
Who want, we have multicolored design, front, back, sleeves and everything. So that goes up to 800, 900 also. Wherein if you want something very basic, so those t-shirts also start from cotton t-shirts, 100% cotton. It starts from nice, good quality.
Okay.
It starts from 400 custom t-shirts.
ठीक है.
So that's the range, 400 to 800.
400 to 800. So if you want a very high quality one, it can be 800, 900.
Yeah.
And if it is a one-time use or something for a event, then it can be a 400 rupees t-shirt.
yeah.
Okay. Which is like a fair deal for people, right?
Yes.
Because I believe I was talking to a corporate gifting company last year and I ended up asking, okay, I want you to create a complete kit for me. for the podcast, where there's a t-shirt also, there's a diary also, and everything.
Okay.
I think the individual products that I found in market were approximately 1,500 rupees. But this gifting company wanted to sell me the entire kit for like 5,500 rupees.
Oh.
Then I decided, okay, I'll assemble it myself one day, because the only gap is getting the boxes done. Because that has a MOQ of huge.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to have 100 guests in a year.
Yes.
Right? So that will take time. So I said, before that, I can go for a small handbag also. Not a big problem to my life.
Yes.
Correct? मेरे को कोई गेस्ट कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, तूने डिब्बा नहीं दिया. करेक्ट. सो आई बिलीव के ये एक अच्छा टॉपिक है. यहाँ पे ना बहुत सारे गैप हमने खुद देखा है. इवेंट्स के टाइम पे एक तो फायर फाइटिंग वैसे ही चल रहा होता है, राइट. बहुत सारे लोग काम कर रहे हैं, लास्ट मोमेंट चीज़ें हो रही हैं, तो अभी चाहिए सब कुछ, राइट. उस चक्कर में हमेशा वेंडर क्या करता है, क्वालिटी खराब कर, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है इस क्राइसिस में कोई दोबारा आके दोबारा ऑर्डर तो देगा नहीं.
करेक्ट.
अच्छा, सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्रिंटिंग नाउ, तो हमने कपड़े के बारे में बात किया. व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्रिंटिंग, सो कुछ प्रिंट होते हैं जो एक दो बारी धोने के बाद ना ऐसे रबड़ की तरह टूट जाते हैं, बट कुछ प्रिंट होते हैं जो 50 बार वॉश करने के बाद भी नॉर्मल रहते हैं. दे आर स्टिल अ गुड प्रिंट. सो एक तो प्रिंटिंग क्वालिटी कैसी चूज करनी चाहिए.
ओके.
देख, अगर मैं किसी के पास जा रहा हूँ एक इवेंट के लिए, मैं आपके पास आया, एंड इफ आई डोंट नो यू, लेट्स आई एम मीटिंग यू फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, व्हाट शुड द स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स आई शुड यूज के मुझे ना जसराज जी ऐसी प्रिंटिंग, ये वाला प्रिंटिंग करके देना ताकि खराब ना हो.
See, all the techniques, no, जो आप wear off की बात कर रहे हो, wear off हो जाता है, tear होते हैं, even the cracks come in the designs, so all depends. So printing types are all good. It is what material you're using,
okay,
and how you are processing it. If you're making your process, not up to the mark, or you're using low quality products, material, then it will fade away, it will crack, what you're telling me. So there are digital prints, wherein where we say DTF, DTG printing, wherein, we use printers to print it, and there's screen printing.
Okay.
So it all depends. First, it depends on the MOQ. Screen printing requires higher MOQ.
Okay.
Right? Because उसमें पूरा एक सब screens बनते हैं and everything, labor involved होती है, and then it requires higher MOQ.
ठीक है.
If it is lower MOQ, you can go for DTF, DTG printing, which is little thicker than the screen print. Yes, but then are way cost effective.
Okay.
Not very costly also.
But वो break होता है फिर बाद में.
Depends on what materials the vendor has used it.
Okay. So क्या मटेरियल हमें बोलना चाहिए वेंडर को, क्या चेक करना चाहिए प्रिंटिंग के लिए? बिकॉज अगर मैं अनजान हूँ और मेरे एक इवेंट मेरा 2 हफ्ते बाद है, तो वेंडर कहेगा जी हाँ मैं प्रिंट करके दे दूँ. करेक्ट. अब अगर वो सिर्फ 1-1.5 महीने में, क्योंकि मैं 100 लोगों को दे रहा हूँ वो टी शर्ट, करेक्ट, अगर उनको अच्छी नहीं लगी वो मुझे बोलेंगे कुछ नहीं, बिकॉज इट्स अ फ्री टी शर्ट टू देम, राइट. वो फेंक देंगे उसको. बट माई ब्रांड वैल्यू गोज लोअर, राइट. करेक्ट. सो अभी का एग्जांपल लेते हैं, जैसे अभी टाई का इवेंट हुआ, तो गो हाई लेवल के लिए आपने टी शर्ट्स प्रिंट किए, अराउंड 500-700 टी शर्ट्स, राइट. And they distributed to everybody who came to their stall.
Yeah, so they wanted. So their first condition was, is it like the top-notch quality?
Yeah.
And so they had a reference checked that you are they doing it? Are they providing high-quality products? So it was checked, and then they give us the order. So I think, see, when you see a T-shirt now, after few washes, you would not come to know it's good quality or bad quality.
Correct.
It is only after few washes.
Yeah.
So it is best to go through a reference.
Okay.
Check it, like, have you used it? How are they?
Okay.
Are they good?
Got it.
If it is good, reference check is good, I think go ahead, place the order with the vendor.
ठीक है.
देखकर तो नहीं पता चलेगा.
आपको नहीं पता लगेगा.
See, even if it is DTF, digital printing, no, देखकर एकदम सामने बहुत आपको ठीक लगेगा, सही है. It's only after few washes you come to know यार this is
खराब
to the mark. Yeah, correct. So
या तो अगर कोई डार्क कलर की टी शर्ट है, या तो कलर डल हो जाता है, ब्लैक टी शर्ट है उस पर वाइट हो जाता है, या उसका ब्रेक टूट जाता है. सो सी वो those 700 people who took the t-shirt from the event won't say anything.
Yeah.
But they will create a mental perception about the brand कि मुझे सस्ती टी शर्ट दे दी गिफ्ट के नाम पे.
Yes.
They will not like it.
A lot of corporates come to us now and they bargain about when we say this is our price, and they say, no, but that person is giving us a lower price, yours is too high. Like, so we said, like, okay, सब कुछ है इंडिया में, मिलता है ना इंडिया में। आप खरीदने जाओ आपको 100 की टी शर्ट भी मिलेगी,
करेक्ट,
ठीक है, एंड खरीदने जाओ तो यू विल गेट अ 10,000, 15,000, 25,000 t-shirt also.
यस यस,
So see,
एनीथिंग विल बी
of course, one is of course the brand positioning. The other thing is the quality of the product. The quality of product is good. You will somewhat find it between 400 to 800 only.
राइट, ठीक है सर. सो वी स्पोक अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ क्लॉथ, we spoke about quality of printing, and the best way to check is to go through a reference
Yes.
who have used a t-shirt for like 2-3 months.
Yeah.
They can give you the best advice whether this vendor can create a good t-shirt or not, right? And now if anybody is listening to this podcast, don't find any other vendor, they can come to Fairnot, right?
Okay.
I think that will be the best thing to do now,
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
Because I am wearing one. The successful merchandise is created by the same company, and we can vouch for that thing now. Correct? Okay. अब हम थोड़ा सा बात करते हैं सिस्टम एंड स्केलेबिलिटी, बिकॉज आवर सीजन 2 हैड अ थीम ऑफ हेल्पिंग पीपल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज सिस्टम एंड स्केलेबिलिटी. अब ये सिस्टम एंड स्केलेबिलिटी हम दो तरीके से बात कर सकते हैं. वन इज योर 17 years ऑफ बैंकिंग एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग विद अ बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो आपने देखा है क्या सिस्टम्स यूज होते हैं,
Yeah.
राइट? एंड देन यू आर क्रिएटिंग योर ओन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड आई बिलीव के वो पूरा सिस्टमेटिक अप्रोच जब एक मेच्योर्ड एक एम्प्लॉय कहीं से बाहर आता है, अपने बिजनेस में वो उस अप्रोच को जरूर लगाता है,
Yes.
राइट?
It helps.
It helps a lot, right? Obviously, because when I started, I left my first job at 21 and I never went back to a job,
Wow.
right? Believe you me, आज आप मुझसे पूछोगे सौरभ 100 लोगों की टीम कैसे बनानी है और कैसे मैनेज करनी है, आई डोंट नो, और शायद आपके पास आंसर होगा एग्जैक्ट, क्या सिस्टम यूज करना है, क्या हायरिंग यूज करना है, शायद हो सकता है, राइट? बट आपने उस उतना बड़ा टीम देखा है एटलीस्ट, मैंने नहीं देखा, है ना?
So my last organization was like about 2 lakh people.
2 lakh people.
Yeah. So
And how many people were reporting to you and working with under you?
So I was national head for that product. So about 10,000 people.
Around 10,000 people were your team.
8 to 10,000.
8 to 10,000 people.
So yes, work experience helps you. I mean, be it any. So although I shifted from finance to fashion, which is different industry altogether, but what you've learned, the experience, the manage, the maturity, as you said, so that happens from the work experience. So if you ask about Fairnot, and if somebody wants to create a brand, wants to come into D2C, so the first thing that what we do was we related our brand name, what we want to do further. It should go around whatever you want to say. It should not mismatch it. Okay, naam kuch aur hai, product kuch aur hai, something, and find something which is easy to pick, easy to remember for the consumer,
Right.
and register it. So a lot of brands I see face issue while they're scaling, the duplicates start coming in the market, and somebody else gets it registered.
Correct.
And when they do it, the actual owner or the brand builder, face the heat. Like, ab kya karna? Like, we are gone. And brand building requires a lot of money, lot of efforts. So first thing I would say, create everything around it, name everything around it, and register it. So we did that. So mere liye team identify a team, and that's second. I would say, as you go, that's the first foremost thing. If your team is good, you will grow. If your team is not good, whatever you are, whatever diggaj you are, dhurandhar you are, you will not grow.
So define a good team for us. Like एक good team क्या होती है एक स्टार्टअप के लिए, जहाँ पे let's say वो चाहे D2C हो या SaaS हो, या कोई आज एक मार्केटिंग एजेंसी चालू कर रहा है, एक गुड टीम क्या है?
So one, you should be very clear कि आप अपने टीम से चाहते क्या. Do a research on whatever you want from that person. You of course you interview it and then you hire it. हमारे स्टार्टअप्स में what I feel like, मेरी बहुत हायरिंग और फायरिंग हुई है.
ठीक है, स्टार्टअप में
Okay. बहुत हायरिंग हुई है और बहुत फायरिंग हुई है. Never been like so much emotional touched about कि यार कि नहीं अच्छा परफॉर्म करा, नहीं अच्छा है, is not adding value to the team or is not liaison to our goals. It's best to let the person go. Right? So that you should not be so much emotionally attached कि मैंने hire किया. Although that's not a practice we follow, we tend to hire the best in the first place, but ऐसा होता नहीं है.
Correct. It's
practical.
always
You can't like be like
it is
मैंने
like
best
wearing a
चीज कर
t-shirt
दिया.
only. आप जब तक काम नहीं करोगे आपको पता नहीं लगेगा.
हाँ, you have to experience
Yeah,
that.
you have to experience the person.
So फर्स्ट स्टार्टअप के अंदर ना आप किसी ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस गाय को हायर करो, इतना लीवरेज होता नहीं. ठीक है.
Correct.
You tend to hire a fresher first.
Yes.
Like, you know, and then the fresher, how would that turn to be? Then you have to like see, test, try and everything. So हमारे लिए यही था कि हम test, try everything. What suited us, we retained. What did not suit to us, we let them go. And this is how we actually, you know, made a good team.
Correct.
We nurtured them. Once we have that in place, we made good training modules for them. अपना टीम को ट्रेन करना बहुत जरूरी है. बहुत फाउंडर्स क्या करते हैं, दे कीप एवरीथिंग देम टू सेल्फ, ठीक है, एंड दे डोंट स्पीक टू देयर टीम कि मेरा कस्टमर क्या चाहता है.
करेक्ट.
वो कभी टीम से नहीं बात करेगा मैं कस्टमर क्या चाहता है, वो अपने रहेगा. वो उसको सिर्फ ये बोलेगा तू ये कर दे,
हाँ.
या डू दिस.
They don't explain them.
They don't explain them why I'm telling you this. After we've made that team, we think, you know, this person is good for us and works for us good. So we start training, and communicating details with them really helps. Sometimes idea come from the team itself.
Okay.
आप बात करते हो उनसे, problem discuss करते हो, and it is okay to discuss problems. Lot of times, you know, we hide है, problem नहीं बोलना है, ये हमारी weakness है. I think it's good to discuss problems, and this helps. Then every team works in a sync, and this helps in getting us better products, better sales, better communication with customers.
So when I see systems and scale, mostly I see it from two angles. One is the human, second is the technology. So what all systems, technology, softwares you are using right now in FireNote, which helps you manage your entire business every day?
So for us, there are two different departments what works in. Like, one is of course the accountancy,
Okay.
the finance and everything. So that is basic with what everybody uses, you know, the tally and everything, managing a GST, kitna aaya, cash flows, kitna sab kuch, everything. The other is the inventory management. And so the inventory management we do with the help of Zoho.
I think people at Zoho will be very happy because this season was supported by them. This season is powered by Zoho One, right? And Zoho One is one of our partners for a very long time. It's been 4 years working with them, right? And an amazing tool. So this is inventory management. Okay. Then
Founded in India now. That gives founded in India.
yes.
So that gives a like more of
A proud.
a proud feeling. Yes, using
That is
their
nice.
software rather than using a foreign software and, you know, buying from in USD.
Yeah. I think they have created something nice because I have been personally using Zoho for entire suite. It gives you everything in one place.
Yes, they do.
The accounts, the people, the management, project management, even managing social media analytics. Now everything is one place. So it made my life very easy from the past 1 year that I can bring everything together and then see what I need to do. Like I think एक holistic picture मिलना बहुत जरूरी होता है एक business system के लिए.
Correct.
अगर वो मिल जाए ना, then decision making becomes very easy and very objective. Rather than कि मुझे क्या लग रहा है और तुझे क्या लग रहा है, वो fight खत्म हो जाता है.
Correct.
ठीक है. So we understood a lot of things. Just to conclude this segment of the system and scalability, जो जसराज ने अपने 20 years experience से बताया, one is finding a right team is important. Explaining them right things is important. Don't just tell them what to do, but explain them why to do the same thing. Also, sharing or communicating your business problems with the team is very important, so that they also feel part of the team as a whole, right? Because if you only tell them what to do and just tell them go to home, it may not build
As
a
the
team
owner
as
of the-
such.
As the owner of the product now.
Yeah, as the owner of the
Own it.
product, they own it, right?
Yes.
And that's where they will start sharing ideas. They might also bring in customers. They will also become an internal community for the team and the company. Then comes your softwares and systems. You need something for finance. You need something for accounts. You need something for inventory management, and then you need something for the website, the Shopify, all the products you need. Okay. So these are the system and scales which you need at the initial stage. इनके बिना तो काम नहीं चल सकता है. This is the very basic to begin with a business, right? So Jasraji, now just to help me understand, if I have to start a business like this, मेरा इनिशियल एक ऑप्टिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या होना चाहिए कि जिसके बिना काम नहीं चलेगा? लाइक अगर उससे कम हो तो ना ही करूँ तो अच्छा है.
For fashion, for what I am into,
Yes, for your kind of business.
मेरे ख्याल से तो somewhere around 3 to 5 lakhs.
Only to start this business?
Yeah.
How? Can you break it down for us?
So what happens, nowadays I find people much younger than us, making very good community. They make very good content around what, their generation, looks for and everything. So it is not necessary to always have customer through advertisement, but through content it helps a lot, and it is not very much, it's not costly. You make
Got it.
So if you have 3 to 5 lakhs, you can have some part for your tech, which is like your website, for some advertisements, and then your inventory, what you want to have, some machinery, some software. So starting with initial setup with about 2 lakh rupees, and then the working capital, what you require for.
This is where we are getting everything printed and manufactured by someone else.
Yeah.
And we have a small initial inventory to showcase and to sell and get the feedback.
So I really, we have about 900 SKUs on a website.
Okay.
Not necessarily every business needs to have that SKUs. I have seen people much younger, with great creativity, running a website with 5 or 7 SKUs.
Yeah.
And they nail it with it.
Correct.
They are providing a specific purpose or specific, thing that they are selling at. So good enough. If your content shows you are, so when a customer sees you through Instagram, they feel like इस पे विश्वास करेगा ना करेगा, should we trust them, भाई सही है कि नहीं है, order place करेंगे आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. So if you are there, if you're making your content which is like, people can trust you, even small quantities can be good enough to sell from.
So Jasraji, अभी जैसे आपने बताया कि 5-10 लाख से स्टार्ट हो जाता है. Now you are 1.5 years in business. You started selling a year ago. अभी आपका monthly marketing expense कितना है, including everything, the performance ads, micro influencers and all?
So right now monthly expenditure is about 4.5-5 lakhs.
ठीक है.
So about 50 lakhs odd
a year. And how many orders are we shipping in a month right now?
We are shipping about 2,500 orders per
month. Okay. And this is all in-house printing and delivery.
Yes.
You are doing the quality check probably.
Yes.
And what is the audience like? If there are 2,500 people buying every month, which is almost, I can say 25,000 people a year. What is your repeat purchase rate from these customers?
As of now, we have about 17%.
17% are coming repeat, and almost 83% are new customers coming to you because of ads and all.
Yes.
Which is like itself is a great community. Now you have around 25,000 customers in a year now, and it will grow faster now.
Yes.
Right. So that will also end up becoming a community.
So, a year back or probably 6 months back, we were not having these much of orders. It was like about just 1,000 orders. We have 500 orders per month. So, I mean, we see those people coming in. So when the percentage of, returning customers we see is like how much new orders we built up.
Yeah.
So it's very good when people come and buy again. I mean, they say, we loved it. ये नहीं मिला था, पर
ये नहीं मिला.
मिल गया. Like, this is what we wanted.
Like, that's a satisfaction for an entrepreneur who
Yes.
did not come from the fashion world and created a product. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कभी-कभी कि जिसको इंडस्ट्री नॉलेज बहुत ज़्यादा होता है ना, वो एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर रहा है. वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहा है कि मैं कितना सस्ता सोर्स कर सकता हूँ और कितना सस्ता बेच सकता हूँ ताकि मैं मार्केट कैप्चर कर लूँ. उस चक्कर में वो क्वालिटी से कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर जाता है और कस्टमर का ध्यान नहीं रखता. लेकिन जो इंसान खुद टी शर्ट्स के लिए पैशनेट है, राइट, वो कहेगा यार कंफर्ट फर्स्ट, क्वालिटी फर्स्ट, महंगा बेचूंगा, कम कस्टमर होंगे, बट दैट्स ओके.
करेक्ट.
राइट. रादर देन लाइक मैंने ना ज़ूडियो से टी शर्ट्स खरीदी हैं, 400-500 रुपये की टी शर्ट आती है, बट वो 3 महीना भी नहीं चलती. 3 महीने के बाद मैं उसे घर के बाहर पहन के नहीं जा सकता. देन इट्स अ नाइट वेयर फॉर
नाइट वेयर. Yes.
then it's a nightmare for me, right? But हर टाइम आप एक नई टी शर्ट आप एक उम्मीद के साथ खरीदते हो कि यार मुझे अच्छी लगी है, और वो अच्छा लगना जैसे ही 1.5-2 महीने में ही बंद हो जाता है ना, तो बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है ना? So
Yes.
similar used to happen to shirts. So I think I am happy for myself that I have a t-shirt maker in my community. I have a shirt maker in my community, and I don't need to go anywhere else, because now I can talk to you, and even if I still find a problem, I can share with you and you can solve it.
Yes.
मतलब ये मेरे लिए बड़ा मजेदार चीज हो गई है अभी, right?
Thank you.
As part of the Successful community, there are almost 170 founders from Tri-City now, right? And everybody is solving a problem. So मेरी बहुत सारी अपनी problems solve.
Actually, whenever you talk to such founder, there's always something new that we
Yes,
do.
correct.
So motivation. I would say rather than following someone, do of your own. But it's good to have new ideas.
Correct. ठीक है जैसा जी, हमने बहुत सारी बिजनेस की बातें कर ली. लेट्स टॉक अ बिट पर्सनल नाउ. डू यू रीड बुक्स?
I do.
किस टाइप की?
So I do fiction, non-fiction books.
ओके, हाउ डज इट हेल्प यू?
Help me as that's my leisure time.
That's your leisure time.
Yeah.
But does it somewhere subconsciously, the stories in fictional books, or whatever message it sends, in a story,
Yeah.
does that impact you somewhere in your personal development?
Definitely. I mean, non-fictional books are like, something that, of course, someone reads to get inspired. A great life, a great business story, something that way. You always love to read non-fiction. But fiction books, I also read. That is again, purely my leisure time. It's
Okay.
like nothing to relate to my business. For my business, I normally go for journals. I also read like Business Today. I love to read about my hobby, which is about aquariums and
Got it.
so travel. So I read nothing relating to my business as such, but as a normal inspiration and leisure time.
Correct. ठीक है. And how about travel? Do you love traveling?
I do.
What's your
Travel.
favorite travel spot?
Okay, beaches.
Beaches.
Yeah,
Which
right.
in India, outside India?
Outside India.
Which one is the best you loved as of now?
Mauritius.
Mauritius.
I just love the
What
beaches.
what
are very
was
good.
great about it?
Clean, sandy beaches, not very rocky beaches.
Okay.
A lot of sports to do there. Food is good. I love seafood.
You love seafood.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I get good seafood there, fresh sea.
So like you were born and brought up in Chandigarh, Punjab majorly.
Yeah.
So what was your first taste of seafood?
I don't know. That would have been like when I was like very, very small. Like,
Okay.
yeah.
So like you have been traveling with your father from a long time, and
Yeah. So
that's when everything
yeah.
was part of the journey.
So we've been traveling. Like my family was like always into travel. Like whenever they were like summer holidays, winter holidays, we were on travel. So travel has been
Is a part of life.
Part of life, yes.
ठीक है. So seems like a very passionate family about travel. Your father was also is also in a finance background. You also came from a
Yes.
similar background there.
Yes.
Okay. So do you think that the experiences of father when you travel with them together, you talk to them like a friend sometimes, after like those experiences also boil down to your business and the way you operate things?
Yeah, I mean, I feel I'm blessed to have a father like that because I talk to him as my friend, and he's always there. He gives me time, although he has been very, very busy man when he was into job, but he took time for me, for my sibling. So although he's also a chartered accountant into finance background, but he also followed some hobbies and interest, passions, and that is where I also learned that despite of what you're doing, your regular work, having something that interests you is always great.
Something that can just disconnect you from the startup and business world and take you towards yourself is important.
Yes. So the first time I learned that was when he brought a puppy for me.
Okay.
And I started caring for it. So I learned how to care.
Okay.
From a very, from a as a kid, I started learning, how
Yeah,
to
because
take
you
care.
become a pet parent, you can become a pet parent by the time you're 5 also.
Yes. So, a lot of times, people don't understand that, or I would say, people maybe, don't see in a way that a kid requires much more than schooling or maybe a sport. Like, caring,
Yeah.
about nowadays feminism is so in,
The soft skills of life, basically.
soft skills of life. It is always good to teach your kids
Yeah.
because that helps them in society, when they meet people, it helps.
Yeah, it helps a lot. And I believe when it comes to running a business, customer care is the best thing.
Yes.
If you can do that the best, you will have a
I
community.
still talk to my customers.
Yeah.
I mean, despite of, shipping 2,500 orders or that is about, 100 orders daily. People come for, size exchange or they complain or, there's an order delay or something that ways. I myself call them, ask them, what is it? So being connected is something doesn't just come to you.
Correct.
It is like over the years you've been doing it.
Correct. Makes a lot of sense. And let's say we have another entire generation, which we call Gen Z प्यार से. They are coming to the workforce now,
Yeah.
right? Either they will become entrepreneurs
Yeah.
or they're joining companies like your and mine, correct? Like if you have to give a career growth advice to them, right? What are the 2 or 3 things they should take care of right now because they don't have an attention span like us, right? They do not have they cannot survive in a lower salary of 10-20,000 easily. It is not because by default the expenses is 10x now. तो एक सिंगल बच्चा अगर यहाँ रहता है चंडीगढ़ में बाहर से आके तो भी उसका 40-50,000
I think that is because of the millennials.
Yeah.
As we as millennials, when we were small, we were kids, we were like in 18s, teens or something, or not so much was there out there in the market, the TV में आप 100 channels to scroll to,
नहीं.
then, so many shops, so many brands.
हाँ.
Nowadays, it is so much, and we as millennials sometimes like to pamper our kids, and we do have. हमने कभी नहीं सुना था स्कूल में एसीज होंगे.
करेक्ट.
आज के में आप अच्छे स्कूल्स में आते हो, लाइक पेरेंट्स पूछते मिलेनियल्स के स्कूल में एसी है.
हाँ, एसी है कि नहीं.
हाँ ना, एसी है. आपकी क्या स्कूल बस एसी है? मैंने भी सोचा भी नहीं कि स्कूल बस में एसी
करेक्ट नहीं होता.
तो so I think it is millennials only who have pampered the Gen Z.
Correct.
And they have turned out to be like, pampered.
So भी Gen Z को क्या करना चाहिए? Like जब वो workforce में है,
Yeah.
तो how do they design their growth path?
First thing I would say, so this is a very different generation. What we used to think is important to grow in a business or in a career, not necessarily be same for them. Yeah. They choose lot of different career paths. आज की डेट में कोई बहुत अच्छा डीजे भी बना जाता ना, so like हमारे में तो हमारे को लाइक पेरेंट्स से तो डांट पिटनी थी कि क्या ही है, लाइक तुम क्या कर रहे हो, बट people are doing very good in it.
Yeah.
People are making very good connects in it, a very good society, and they're earning well. So I think first thing for anybody should be focus. I mean, if you're doing something, if you have passion for something, and you're liking something, go for it. If you have a passion for it, go for it, but be focused.
Yeah. आपकी टीम में Gen Z लोग हैं?
हाँ है, सारे Gen Z हैं.
सारे Gen Z हैं. Okay. So like I recently wrote a LinkedIn post, and I could write 10 different things that I am learning from Gen Z, or I learned about their behavior, right? Rather than complaining, those are good things. Correct?
Yeah.
I can complain about the same things, but I think those are good things. I got bored of doing a lot of business in past like 17 years. So we have a similar journey. I think हमारी age में 2-3 साल का difference होगा. I started learning a new way of living life with them.
Yeah.
Maybe eating chocolates again.
I agree.
Maybe eating pizza again. ठीक है. Going to party again. क्योंकि हम बोर हो चुके थे एक टाइम के बाद, हमने छोड़ दिया था सबको.
Yes.
Right? So what are the 2-3 things that you think are best about Gen Z and why people should hire a Gen Z team? Especially in a creative field like yours.
India's population is too young now. I mean, we have a lot of youngsters, unlike many other countries like Japan or something, Now, if you have to market yourself. If you have to sell something, you need to have fresh ideas. You need to listen to their voice. You cannot suppress their voice because what you've learned in your past. So and they are very different thinkers. Their idea of creating content, their idea of accepting things, and they're very blunt. What
Correct.
they don't like, they like. They like. I like it. It's not like they become so diplomatic about
Correct.
things.
They are not diplomatic.
They're not diplomatic. They're straight out, which is good. So this is, I think, what they require right now, and we should listen to the upcoming, this upcoming generation. As they rightly said, future entrepreneurs. You don't know,
Yes.
and if we want to sell now to the generation, to India, we have to listen to them. We can't ignore them.
Because the new India is their community,
That's
not
the
our
voice.
community.
Yeah, that's the voice.
ठीक है. So we have great lessons for the aspiring entrepreneurs, Gen Zs, teams inside the creative field and the startup world. We understood how systems are run in a bigger company and organization, and that entire experience can help build a startup. So thank you so much, Jasraji, for sharing a lot about your journey. We wish you all the best, and we wish that this podcast may be seen by 1 million people and they buy 1 million t-shirts from both of us. Right, the successful merchandise and the Fire Nut t-shirts, and they really feel the difference of quality and the cloth, because I believe that this sometimes becomes part of our own body and then we love it.
Definitely.
If it is not, then we are like, okay, theek hai, फेंक दो types, right? Okay. So this is episode 7 and season 2 ends here. We'll be back again with season 3 and we'll release it soon. Who will be there? What is the new theme of the season? And a lot of other stuff. And we'll have some new partners coming in, some new collaborations coming in. Meanwhile, for every collaboration that we have built for the community, please go to the description. You will find all the links. You will find a Fire Nut link. You will find a TFC link. You will find a startup incubator link. You will find a co-working space across India link. You will find a holiday hostel across India link. We have cracked special discounts for you. So go explore what you need. I am not selling you one thing. I'm offering you everything that you might need while living your life or doing your business, and it will help you a lot. And in case you are looking forward to build systems and processes in your business, Zoho One can be a wonderful partner. So do subscribe to them and you will get $100 credit to use for a month. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Saurav.
Most welcome, sir.